find circumference. Circumference is diameter times pi, or circumference equals, oh, thank you, 2 times pi times r. If you're not writing down the formulas, you need to be writing down the formulas. I cannot repeat it enough that it won't be there for you on the iLearn or on test. It's something you have to have memorized. Here, I know from here to here is 8, which is the diameter, so I'm just going to use this formula right here. So I would say 8 times pi, put that in my calculator, and I get 25.13. Okay? That would be the circumference of an entire circle, correct? So then I need to take that divided by 2, because I only want half a circle, and I get 12.57. So that is this piece right from here all the way to there. But if I want the full, like, circumference, I have to now add back that 8. Do you guys understand why I need to add that 8 with it on a semicircle? So then I'm going to add 8, lining up my decimals, and I get 20.57. Yes. Then you need to get up and get one. Number 2. Xander. Oops, sorry. About how many cups of juice does the container hold? Hint, 1 cup is about 14.44 inches cubed. So we need to find the volume. Volume equals pi r squared, which is area, times the height. So I know pi, so I'm just going to leave pi. My radius. This here, remember when it points to the center, that means that entire line across the 6. So for the radius, I need half of that, so that would be 3 squared. My height is here, which is 12. You can plug that in your calculator, or it would be pi times 9 times 12, or pi times 108. Put that in your calculator, and I get 339.29. Now we want to know how many cups will fit, so I take this and divide it by our hint, 14.44, and I get 23.496. So I'm going to round it to the nearest 10. If you rounded it to the nearest whole, that's fine too. So if you said 23, I would accept that. So 23.5. So it's like 23 and a half cups. Again, if you were to round it to the nearest whole, it would just be 23. Number 3. What's so special about these angles? They're supplementary, right? All of them add to what? No, I'm on the wrong one. Sorry. Both of them add to, if they're supplementary, they add to. So I want you to write supplementary angles equal 180. Always write it down. So then I write 3x plus 9 plus 4x plus 3 equals 180. And remember, I know that sometimes it's looking like a division symbol. It'll only be division if it's written like this, 3x divided by 9. That's division when you get into the algebraic thinking and stuff like that, and linear equations. So then I combine my like terms. These are both positive, so it becomes a positive 7x. We got a positive 9 and a positive 3, so it becomes a positive 12 equals 180. Draw my line, subtract 12 from both sides. So now I'm left with 7x equals 168. Then I'm going to divide by 7, which cancel each other out. Divide by 7, so x equals 24. Number 4, what do all the angles have to add up to be on a triangle? 180. So I've got 62 plus 69 plus 4x plus 5 equals 180. Combine my like terms. I've got a 62, a 69, and a 5. Those three add to 136. So I have 136 plus 4x equals 180. Draw my line, subtract 136 from both sides. So I'm left with 4x equals 44. Then I'm going to divide by 4 on both sides. X equals 11. Number 5. Here are our parallels. The angles that they're talking about are they on the outside or the inside? They're outside. So, and are they on the same side? No. So what do we call that when they're on the outside and on opposite sides? You need to write it down. It's alternating exterior angles. And alternating exterior angles equal each other. So if one is 68 degrees, 68 degrees, the question mark is going to equal 68 degrees. We did number 6 together. Number 7, the problem to the right, whom did John sample? So who did he sample? The sample came, the population came from the school, but the people he sampled were the football team. And number 8 we did yesterday. So go ahead and